Have you ever found yourself on a Scrum team and not quite sure about your role? Or perhaps your manager volunteered you to be a product owner or Scrum Master, but with no training? In this video, we will talk about the 3 roles in Scrum, the spirit behind each, and where the project manager fits in. Scrum is a framework or set of guidelines that teams use to execute their work. This framework is based upon lean and agile approaches to delivering value to customers. There are only 3 roles on a Scrum team: the product owner, Scrum Master, and the development team. In theory, the individuals on the team should be self-organizing, meaning not assigned, cross-functional, and dedicated to the team, meaning the resources aren't shared between teams. You want your Scrum team to be small enough to be flexible, but large enough to deliver significant work each sprint. In a separate session, we'll review some of the anti-patterns that can occur when organizations deviate from the Scrum team guidelines. Let's take a close look. The product owner is one person, not a committee. They are solely responsible and accountable for the management of the product backlog. We call this grooming. The product owner shares the vision with the team and is the only person who can accept or deny the work of the team. The Scrum Master is a servant leader. They give their time, energy, and focus to promoting, coaching, and supporting the team while encouraging the adoption of Scrum theory, practices, rules, and values. They facilitate Scrum ceremonies, help clear unnecessary burdens, remove blockers, and protect the team from untimely interruptions. Unlike a project or functional manager, the Scrum Master's allegiance is to the development team. The development team is a self-organized group of professionals that work together to create a potentially shippable product. There are no specific titles or domains such as operations or testing. Everyone is at the same level. Everyone pitches in because everyone is accountable. Therefore, there's no need for the team's work to be managed by a project manager. Finally, only the development team can decide what fits into the sprint. So where does the project manager fit in? With federal government contracts, a project manager is likely mandated. Project managers can be found on other product development efforts as well. Project managers typically manage resources, contracts, stakeholders, risk and higher level impediments, and reporting beyond team level metrics. Team members also need a supervisor to address professional development and other HR related issues. This allows the Scrum team to remain focused on developing the product or service. It is proven that these specific roles, the product owner, Scrum Master, and the development team, are key to achieving a healthy, high-performing team that continuously provides value to its customers. Even if a project manager is added to the overall effort, keeping the roles clear and distinct will help minimize confusion and contribute to the overall team cohesiveness. Thank you for watching this video on the Scrum team roles. Watch the other videos in the Embrace Lean Agile series to learn more about the value of Lean Agile for your team.